Raining Glass Psycho Frame. Now, what Rhino said is that they released an EP. It's been a while since that was dropped. But let's check this out. Oh, wow. Bow, 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 bow. What the fuck is that? Is that the pitch shifter? Holy fuck. Oh, this is perfect for the piss playlist. Oh, these transitions must be fun.